How to fix OBS encoding overloaded error. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to quickly and easily resolve the encoding overloaded error in OBS Studio. First of all, ensure that you're using the latest version of OBS and your Windows computer is up to date. And you have capped the FPS in your game to match your streaming or recording settings. Once done, let's make some other changes in OBS to solve the problem. First of all, go to the settings and then go to the video tab. Ensure your output scaled resolution is something on your computer can handle. Adjust the aspect ratio from the base canvas to a smaller size such as 1280 by 720. Next, set your common FPS values to a reasonable setting like 30 frames per second and apply these changes and check if the problem persists. If the issue remains the same, head to the Output tab and adjust your video encoder to match your hardware. Choose an option that best represents your system, such as NVIDIA or AMD options. Avoid using x64 as it's CPU intensive. Additionally, consider adjusting your encoder settings, such as the bitrate, keeping in mind that 2500 is generally stable with the CBR setting. If you're still encountering problems, consider upgrading to an SSD if you're using a hard drive, as it can significantly impact the performance. That concludes this guide. This is how you can fix the OBS encoding overloaded error. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.